Hello and welcome back to Nowhere. My name is Trish and I am the creator behind Nowhere Novelties. Going forward, I'm going to try to keep my intros short and sweet, so I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the cup that we are making. Since it is February, that means it's Valentine's season, so my first few videos this month are going to be on Valentine's inspired cups, the first one being this ombre peekaboo heart tumbler. If you're ready, let's strap in and shoot for the stars. To start off, I have a 30-ounce straight from Maker Flow Crafts. I base painted it red and pink. Next, I'm showing off the combination of my glitter colors. I do like to use a chunky glitter as well as a fine glitter for each of my colors to give me some more dimension in my ombre. To start off, I will begin with the chunky glitters first, starting with this beautiful Netflix and Chill red from Peachy Olive Glitters. This is a nice mix blend of glitter sizes. And after the red is on, I'm going to move into the lightest pink at the top, which is Gold Mine from Advancing Aiden. In hindsight, I probably should have did like triple colors on the spray paint base with like the lightest pink at the very top, but this actually ended up looking really good. And here through this middle section, I'm sprinkling in Strawberry Shortcake from Glitter Heart Company. Now I'm going to start overlaying the chunky glitter with the matching fine glitter. So this is Boiling Mad Jr. from Mr. Nola's Glitter. And yes, I am completely ignoring the fact that I am missing a whole chunk of spray paint and glitter on the bottom of the cup. At the very top rim, I'm going in with the color Blush. This is Recollections brand, which is from Michaels. I didn't get like super high coverage to cover up that like more hot pink spray paint base. But again, I actually liked the way it turned out. Finally, to blend everything together, this is Poppy Pink, which I liked the shift that it had. It had a little bit of purple in it. It wasn't too dark of pink, and it still had a little bit of red, so it blended down into that nice bright red as well. After 2 coats of epoxy and a good sand, I'm ready to go in with stencil vinyl is what I'm using to do my peekaboo. I did get this template from an Etsy creator. I will have it listed below. It is for like a tapered Starbucks cup, so I knew I was going to have to hand place the entire template. I couldn't find the exact like heart shapes file that I wanted. I knew I wanted these to be kind of like scattered in sizes and kind of like twisty turny, kind of all facing different directions. So this is the one that I found, and I just accepted that it was going to be all hand placed. So I started with the top rim with the stencils, or the cuts of the hearts that actually had straight lines. I knew I wanted to line those up at the very top of the cup. And from there, I sort of went in the same pattern, like kind of going row by row with the hearts like below the ones on the template from the top rim. But the template itself, I kind of oversized. So I knew it wasn't going to be like an exact match, just, go one for one with each of the hearts around the cup. I did have to start picking different areas or different hearts from different areas of the template and just fitting in what worked in the spaces that I kind of created for myself. So I continued applying the hearts throughout the tumbler to the bottom, and when I hit the bottom rim, I did want some of the hearts to kind of droop over the edge, and I did put hearts on the very bottom of the cup as well, avoiding the complete stainless steel chunk that doesn't have any glitter or spray paint. I avoided that completely because I knew I was going to spray paint over everything. So I did add a few small hearts on the bottom as well. With the stencil vinyl, peekaboo vinyl applied to the cup, I did go out and spray paint this just a matte white and allowed that to dry before I came back in to start removing the stencil vinyls to show the beautiful glitter underneath. After much trial and error over the past like 2 years doing cups and doing peekaboos, the sharper the implement that you're getting your vinyl off, the better. I use, this is like a little diamond pen with, it literally has like a sewing needle in the tip, and that is the easiest way to grab onto this vinyl without potentially scraping this spray paint and kind of damaging your base coat. So I love this little tool, and I'll have it listed for you down in the description box. To finish this cup off, I did do 2 final coats of epoxy, and in the first final coat over the spray paint, I did add a very, very small amount of Helix additive from the glitter grind, which added just the slightest shimmer to the white spray paint. It would have been fine without it, but I wanted it to have just that slight shimmer, and I think it turned out beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye now.